Check out what Elecfreaks just sent me. This is the Retro Arcade for Education console. This works with arcade MakeCode, and you can see here on the back you get a few things in the box. You get your actual device, some bricks, USB to USB-C, and instructions. So yeah, let's have a look inside. I think for a lot of us who are maybe millennials or older, this brings back the Game Boy kind of vibe to it, doesn't it? So this would be quite cool to have it in a class. Or even at home with your children. Or yourself. Like, I'm probably going to use it more than my children are, but hey. So there we go. We've got the, what's the sort of the box? We've got a few things here. Very nice packaged. And you see how big it is in my hand. It's not actually too big. So it's quite nice, quite compact. And those holes in the back are for the Lego, which I'll show later. But yeah, quite straightforward, a few buttons. I like the colour actually, nice blue on it. There's the instruction guide. It's all in Chinese because the company is from China, so you can order this on Amazon. In the UK, they do have a UK store on Amazon, but they sent me all the way from their main place in China. So there you go, and you've got the cables there, which I feel like for most things are quite self-explanatory. And on this side, there we go, we've got our Lego pieces, which I think is a really fun feature actually of this. We can actually add some Lego onto the back of it. So it's fairly straightforward. The one on the left, the thicker one, goes into the computer. One on the right, the USB-C, goes into the bottom of the retro game console there. And then you just plug it into the computer and you're ready to go. Now just to show you a closer look of the Lego pieces, or sorry, the brick pieces. I don't know if they're actually Lego themselves, but yeah, they look like Lego. They'll work the same. You get two arms, and I'll just make one up here. I want to just lay them out. I know, not the best organized, but hey, it works. There we go, a bit more organized. So what we do is turn around, you've got the dots in the back, and one of these arms, or whatever you want to call it, just these bits go in, quite straightforward. The discs then go onto that. You see the cross section on that. And then there we go. And that will spin round actually quite freely. And then you just put an eye on, and then you can spin an eye around. So I think it'd be quite fun actually just to have that. But you can do whatever you want really with the Lego at the back of it. It doesn't have to be just this, but this is what they give you. So if you've got more Lego and more things you want to connect to it, you could just customize it, make it your own. And then you go straight in there, nice and tight. There you have it. So once you get your device out of the box, you just plug it into the computer and this will show up here. So it's saying essentially when you create your code on, you can see at the bottom there, arcade.makecode.com. Once you make your game, you then just have to select download. It'll take a few seconds. This is what's happening here. It's just downloading and making sure that you know this is what you're downloading it onto. I can show that on another screen later in a different video. But you're essentially just downloading it onto this device. The device is Arcade F4. And there you go, there's my game. It's a quick little tutorial game where it's just chase the pizza. And there you go, I'm controlling the game that I made. It took me literally about 5 minutes to make the game. A child, it may take maybe 10 or 15, maybe even longer if they want to actually read through and understand it. I've obviously got a bit of experience doing this, so it was a bit quicker for me. But yeah, just to quickly show you, there you go, there's a timer on it. We've got a point system and it moves freely when I move the trackpad. So yeah, because that, you can make your own games instead of just having virtual. It's a way to kind of make it more physical. So thanks again Elecfreaks for sending this out to me. I can't wait to delve deep into it, play around with it and give it a proper review.